Hello everyone, and in today's lesson we're gonna learn how to edit vertical video in Adobe Premiere Pro. I've already imported vertical video in project, and let's drag it to our timeline. You can see that it is vertical video. Now we need to change our sequence settings that our video would be in full HD mode, 1920 by 1080. Go to sequence menu and choose sequence settings. And now we need to edit our video frame size. We need to set horizontal 1920 and vertical 1080. And press OK. Premiere asks if we need to apply changes. Press OK. As you can see, our clip is a tiny bit scale up. So we right click mouse on the clip and choose Scale to Frame Size. Now you can see black bars on the sides of the screen. So we need to duplicate our video track. Press down and hold Alt or an Option key on Mac and drag the video on the higher layer. And now you can see two same video clips. And we need to scale up the bottom layer. So we go to the Effect Controls and scale up our scale value until black borders will disappear. You can move it up or down as you wish. And now we need to add blur effect. Go to the effects and search for Gaussian Blur effect. Drag this effect to our bottom layer. Now go to the Effect Controls panel. In the Gaussian Blur option, we change blurriness. Set it about 25. And now you can see our vertical video on Full HD screens. And on the side you don't see black bars. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.